So see this is the problem on independence. Here we have a communication system. We are sending a signal from point A to point B. Okay, the signal whatever we are sending from point A to point B will be traveling in two paths, and in each path the signal pass through two repeaters. In each path we have two repeaters. These repeaters are connected in series. Okay, so each repeater in one path, if you are taking first path, each repeater in one path has the probability of 0.005. Okay, so a probability of failing of 0.005. So whereas the probability is 0.008 for each repeater on other path. All repeaters fail independently each other. Find the probability that the signal not arrive at the point B. Okay, so here all the repeaters are failing independently, so that find the probability that the signal will not arrive at B. Okay, so here you see this is the diagram given. Here we have the signal is traveling from point A to point B through two parallel paths. In each parallel path we have the repeater 1, repeater 2. Okay, and whereas in the second parallel path we have R3 and R4. This is repeater 3 and repeater 4. Okay, so here what is Ri? The Ri is the relay Ri fails. Okay, what is the relay Ri fails? The probability that the relay will fail. Okay, so here in this case how many relays we have? We have 4 relays. Okay, just now we have discussed in the question that so the repeaters in first path is having the probability of 0.005 failing. Okay, this is the probability of failing for the repeaters in first path. This is the probability of failing the repeaters in the second path. So in the second path we have repeater 3 and 4, whereas in the first path we have repeaters 1 and 2. Okay, so now we have to find what is the probability that each repeater will fail independently. Okay, so that the signal will not reach the point B. Okay, so here you see here what is that the probability that the signal does not arrive will be equal to what? So in the first path, in any of these two, either R1 or R2 opens, the signal will not pass. And the second path, through second path also the signal should not pass. When it will not pass? When R3 or R4 is open, then the signal will not reach the point B. So either of these two condition is true. Okay, that is why we are using and. So this either R1 or R2 should open, and R3 or R4 should open. Okay, then only the signal will not arrive at B. Okay, so since you know that R is nothing but union, so here we are using union, and is nothing but intersection. So probability of R1 union R2 intersection, R3 union R4. Okay, so since these are independent, this repeaters are failing independently, so we know that what is the union of two events here? What is the first event? R1 union R2. What is the second event? R3 union R4. So it will be equal to probability of first event into the probability of second event. This we got from independent failures. Okay, now we know that R1 union R2, R1 union R2 can be written as probability of R1 plus probability of R2 minus probability of R1 intersection R2 using joint probability. Similarly, probability of R3 union R4 can be written as probability of R3 plus probability of R4 minus probability of R3 and intersection R4. Okay, and we know that what is probability of R1 intersection R2? The probability of R1 intersection R2 will be equal to probability of R1 into probability of R2, because these are independent events. Since these are independent events, the intersection probability of R1 intersection R2 will be equal to what? Probability of R1 into probability of R2. Similarly, probability of R3 intersection R4 will be equal to probability of R3 into probability of R4. Okay, so now we have already discussed what is probability of R1 is P1, probability of R2 is also P1. Okay, probability of R1 into probability of R2 is P1 square. Similarly, probability of R3 is P2, probability of R4 is also P2, probability of R3 into R4, probability of R4 will be P2 square. Then we have already known that what is P1. P1 value will be 0.005 and P2 value will be 0.008. Okay, if you substitute that value, we will be getting what is the probability that the signal will not travel. Okay, it will not arrive at B is given as 0.00116.